Team, greetings and welcome to Week 6 MPA 511 Public Budgeting and Financial Management. Hey, this is Dr. Mark Lee, and again, welcome to Week 6. Here we'll be talking about Chapter 6, Budgeting Techniques and Analytical Models. First off, we have to read Chapter 6, which is basically pages 157 to 188. Then we have Then we have M6D1 forecasting. Again, like all of our initial posts, they are due by Friday. Okay, and again, they have to be substantive, 2 to 3 paragraphs of 5 to 8 sentences each. And then you have to have 2 response posts done by Sunday. There are 10 points. There are 10 points each, so that's a total of 100 points. Again, the response posts have to be substantive, and it has to be 1 to 2 paragraphs of 3 to 5 sentences each. Okay? Again, you pick out a couple of those let's talk topics, only need 2 or 3 of them, and talk about them. Okay, then we have the M6A1, the failure to forecast. That is worth 100 points, and that's due by Sunday, midnight, Eastern Standard Time. Basically, this is a 2 to 4 page APA summary analysis of the adversity faced by your selected company. Again, you chose a company in week 1 or week 2, and you just, as I said then, you just keep building on it, whether it's your own company or institution or business that you work at, or you choose one from the internet, or you just make a fictitious one up, but you have to have all this budget stuff, so it's easier just to have one what's out there already and just reference it. And there's no questions asked in Turnitin.com. And again, that's worth 100 points. And again, you have to discuss any forecasting methods that might have assisted your company in getting rid of any negative situations that they encountered financially. This may require a bit of research on your part. However, there are several articles posted in Canvas. There's a good one by USA Today that you might want to look at. Again, you got to turn into Turnitin.com, so make sure you reference everything that you're doing. And again, any APA paper, look at the water cooler chat that you'll see that what's the criteria from APA paper using the APA Manual 6th edition there. I have it in a nutshell there. So make sure you read over that again. And again, that's worth 100 points. Then we have the M6 student wrap-up, which is worth 100 points due by Sunday as well. Again, you just have to pick out a couple topics that you learned from the sway sides, from the readings, from the discussions, and just talk about them. Again, that should be 2 to 3 paragraphs of 5 to 8 sentences each. And again, that's worth 100 points. That's due by Sunday. So for this week, we have a total of 300 points. Again, we're getting near the end, folks. So if you kept up with everything, when we get to the end here, starting next week, that this final project should not be surprised. You just start cutting and pasting from all the little projects that you've been doing with your selected company from week 1. Hey, folks, again, with that said, hey, this is up. And again, folks, I forgot, make sure you monitor the water cooler chat. And I put stuff in there every week. The helpful hints, etc. A wrap-up of the week, etc. for you to look at and you maybe can glean out for your papers. With that said, folks, hey, this is Dr. Mark Lee, and I'll talk to you during week number 7. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you for week number 7. Goodbye.